The hidden costs of ignoring your website nobody is telling you about. A local bakery's online orders suddenly stopped. Customers could add items to the cart, but checkout was broken. 3 days later, they realized they'd lost over $1,000 in sales, all because of one outdated plugin. Stories like this happen every week, not because business owners don't care, but because website maintenance gets pushed aside. Your website isn't a one-time project, it's your digital storefront. And like any store, it needs upkeep. When you skip maintenance, small problems pile up. Slow loading, broken links, expired SSL certificates, even security risks. The result? Lost customers, lower Google rankings, and a damaged reputation. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, half your visitors leave. If it's down for a few days, you're losing revenue every hour. And if your site looks outdated or unsafe, people simply don't come back. The good news? You can prevent most of this with a simple monthly check. Update your software and plugins, test your contact forms, back up your site, run a quick speed test, check it on your phone. Your website is often the first impression people get of your business. Don't let neglect be the reason they don't come back. A few minutes each month can save you thousands later. Keep your digital storefront open, safe, and fast. Your customers are counting on it.